mentioned a human statement. So let's all put together our effort in branding India and let this luxury symposium be really a curtain raiser to brand India and take the luxury forward to the world. And also, it's so luxurious that every human being, every Indian national has the capacity of being a designer himself or herself. I mean, everybody will say, oh, I want a slit like this, I want an embroidery on the side, I want the neck like this and neckline like this depth, that height, etc., etc. So I think we are the originals in many, many forms and many, many ways. The only thing lacking is branding, and I just hope and pray Ritu successfully does that and brands India. And I have all the hope and expectation from all the people sitting in this hall to take the brand India forward. May all of us put our heads and hands together to take India forward. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
A true inspiration and a real friend. I have to tell you, she had another appointment at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow. So the easiest thing for her to have done was to cancel this trip and say, Ritu, I'm sorry, I will not be able to come. But she's coming by the 3 o'clock flight and she's going back by the 10 o'clock flight. So she's really a friend who can count on, and saying that to a politician is saying a big deal, you know. So thank you so much for being here. We are also honored to have with us Her Highness Queen Diambi of Congo. It's her first trip to India, and I must say she's chosen very well because couldn't be better than Goa. So it's lovely that she's come to Goa, and that's her first view of India. So I'm thrilled to have you with us. This symposium could not have been possible without the support and the help of a lot of people. Shazia, thank you so much for coming down from Delhi and being with us. She's going to be moderating a panel discussion, and please don't run away for coffee when that panel discussion starts, because it's going to be really interesting. She's going to be fun. I want to thank my partners for their valuable support. I will start with Parko's Beauty. I miss Viju today. He's fantastic, and he would have been a real cause of spreading beauty in Goa. Thank you so much, Suraj, for all your help. I hope after this event, Hilton becomes the go-to destination and the most rocking hotel in Goa. So cheers to you, and I'm sure that will happen. I don't want to forget anyone. Lyndon, I can't forget you. He's been a real support from the moment I said I want to do something here. And he's been there and he's given me very sound advice. And we've kept this evening very, very small and been very selective in who we've invited. So you're our exclusive guests who will get to see a curtain raiser, and hopefully soon we shall do a proper symposium, which we normally do with at least 500 people. So this is just a curtain raiser to what's going to come. Thank you so much for being here. Before I leave, I want to tell you what this symposium is all about. I'm a big India fan. I believe India is a real inspiration, it's a treasure trove. We have some amazing treasures, some authentic treasures, like for instance in Goa we have the virgin coconut oil. We have a haldi milk, which now everyone's talking about, turmeric latte all over the world. And these are our authentic treasures that we need to claim. And the reason this foundation was started, it's a not-for-profit foundation, was because I think it's high time we Indians claim the soft power of brand India. So here we are, we'll be talking about how branding of brands, and brands give a country its branding. I mean, if you talk about France or Italy, it's the brands that give them their glory. So I think it's time for India to respect the soft power, the fashion, the embroideries, the tribal art, and we are all here to celebrate India. We are all here to celebrate our strength, and I can't do it alone. So we are a 1.3 billion population of hardcore energetic, intelligent Indians. So let's make that difference. Thank you so much for being with us. And please don't run away. There's going to be a show at the end of the... Thank you.